Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to stir-fry eggplant with dried chilies and oyster sauce. Hope you like it. Fried eggplant with curry leaves and dried chili is a unique dish that perfectly combines the aroma of curry leaves, the spiciness of dried chili, and the softness of eggplant. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: eggplant, curry leaves, ginger, dried chilies, small chili, carrot. Wash the curry leaves and push forward from the stem to easily pull out the curry leaves. Wash and cut dried chilies and small chilies into sections. Chopped ginger. Ginger has a unique spicy taste and aroma, which can enhance the flavor of dishes, making them more delicious and appetizing. It has the effect of warming the stomach and dispelling cold, and promoting digestion. Adding ginger when cooking can help drive away the cold and warm the body, and it also helps the digestion and absorption of food. Peel and shredded carrot. When carrots are stir-fried, their natural sweetness becomes more prominent due to the heat, while the bright orange-red color adds a splash of color to the dish, which increases your appetite. Wash and diced eggplant. After the eggplant is diced, its surface area increases, making it easier to absorb seasonings and oils, making every bite full of flavor and richer in taste. Frying or roasting the eggplant first can make the skin slightly charred and the inside soft, so that the eggplant can better maintain its shape during the subsequent stir-frying process, while adding a layer of crispy taste, making the whole dish more delicious. Just pour cooking oil on it and it is ready to be put into the oven, or you can fry it yourself. Roast at 220 degrees for approximately 15 minutes. Roasted eggplant set aside. Add cooking oil and stir-fry condiments until release flavor. High-temperature stir-frying can quickly stimulate the unique aromatic substances in curry leaves. The infiltration of oil allows the spicy aroma to be fully released, injecting a rich tropical flavor into the dish. Add shredded carrot. Add a teaspoon oyster sauce. Add roasted eggplant. Add a teaspoon sugar to taste. Optional to add mushroom powder or chicken powder at own preference. The time for frying the eggplant needs to be adjusted according to the size of the cut pieces. Since it has been fried or roasted, it only needs to be quickly stir-fried for 1 to 2 minutes to avoid excessive softness and lock in the freshness of the eggplant and the layered feeling of the seasoning. Plate eggplant. This home-cooked dish of stir-fried eggplant with dried chili and oyster sauce has a bright red color that complements the visual effect. It has a rich sauce flavor and is spicy but not dry, fully displaying the essence of the wok flavor of home-cooked dishes. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Eggplant is rich in vitamin P rutin, which can enhance blood vessel elasticity, assist in regulating blood pressure, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease in the elderly. High dietary fiber content helps promote intestinal peristalsis and improve common indigestion and constipation problems in the elderly. Antioxidant and anti-aging. Anthocyanins in eggplant peel and chlorogenic acid in eggplant flesh can remove free radicals, delay cell aging, and enhance immunity. Eggplant is low in sugar and calories, and the saponins it contains help regulate blood sugar, which is suitable for diabetic elderly people to eat in moderation. Eggplant is rich in minerals such as potassium and magnesium, which can supplement nutrients that are easily lacking in the elderly diet. It is recommended to steam and cook with less oil to retain the effect. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.